Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Astra Bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your car, usually found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct click, which signals that the primary latch of the bonnet has been released. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off before proceeding to the next step. Now move to the front of your Astra. Carefully feel along the leading edge of the bonnet, right above the grille. You're looking for a small secondary safety latch. This is usually a small lever or a catch that you'll need to push or lift. Once you find it, manipulate it to fully disengage the bonnet from its final safety catch. This step ensures the bonnet is completely free to open. With the secondary latch released, you can now gently lift the bonnet upwards. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the bonnet stay rod. This is usually a thin metal rod clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself or sometimes to the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert the end of the rod into the designated hole on the engine bay. This will securely hold the bonnet open, preventing it from accidentally closing. To close the bonnet, first remove the stay rod from its support hole and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 1 to 2 feet above the closed position. Do not drop it from a great height. Finally, push down firmly on the center of the bonnet with both hands. You should hear 2 distinct clicks as both the primary and secondary latches engage, ensuring it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.